In this video, we're going to replace a driver's side seat belt that activated in a front-end crash in a 23 Honda Accord. Now, starting at the front, job 1, remove some trim components that are in our way. This is the pillar cover behind which our seat belt components lie. Now moving to the back. And that's the main one to remove.
So we're going to squeeze upward on both ends of this, and then it'll unplug. That's the action you need to do to get this out. So we need to unbolt this. There's two. This is a 10 millimeter, and down here is a 14 millimeter. And this one is highly torqued, so I would use a breaker bar for it. And we'll turn this one off. Very long bolt.
Now the shoulder belt is still attached to the other to a couple other places up above on the wall and down on the floor by the lap belt.
I'll try anyway.
Now for the upper connection, you have to at least unsnap this light colored plastic piece on here, but don't expect to get it out completely. It's not worth it, and you don't need to remove this upper bolt. Just leave this thing hanging like this.
Okay, this is 14 millimeter. Okay, so apparently this is all going to come off together here.
The other end is connected to the lap belt on the floor. Before we can take the lap belt pre-tensioner out, we need to unplug the power connector. Squeeze on it and pull it.
Pry this off. Just get something under there. The plug is like a connect pushed in here. So this is what I use to get this out.
These are such tight quarters I couldn't get a socket in here, just a box end wrench.
Okay, I'm going to put this sheet on here. Got a 9/16 on here. It's actually 14 millimeter. 9/16 will work too. It's a ratcheting wrench. Okay, so then we just pull it out. There it is. We're going to take a look inside here because we've been unable to free this. I've tried a number of things. For example, you can slide this to the side, and that doesn't really do anything as far as releasing it. So I'm going to take these two security screws out and see if they can see anything inside there. Pull this cover. See what's holding this thing together. So you don't have to take this apart. What you do is you get a flat plate in here, turn it 90 degrees, boom, out comes the belt.
Silly me, all I needed to do was slide that aside, and that reveals a hole for a flat blade screwdriver.
Rotate clockwise, 90 degrees, and out it comes. Now we can pull up, paying attention to how these parts go back in. And there comes the part that goes to the lap. And there's the whole mechanism out. So you don't have to take this out. Here's the replacement. That's what it looks like before it's activated. I've got a little clamp on there to keep it from retracting too far. Replacement looks identical in every way.
It's $150 for OEM used, $300 for OEM new. Okay, we're going to install this lower seat belt retractor first, and we have to separate the belt. Sorry, showing for the third time, but it's kind of cool. There. Okay, so you gotta find the hole. And once you're in, just turn it in. Also want to show right here, you gotta make sure this lines up the hole. So once you get it started by hand, like this by hand, you can start turning it with a wrench then. And this piece is going to keep it in alignment. Okay, making sure that we're still in here. So we're going to use a torque wrench with its crow's foot to get into these very tight quarters. And then this goes in to a spot in here, and just push it in. You can't really show that. $10mm on top. Get that started. And on the bottom, we have a 14mm on the bottom. So you're going to have to keep this belt perfectly straight as you put it through here. And it's going to have to go the reverse of the way it went in. So first, I'm going to slide this piece through. Next, and this doesn't actually come through, but it's going to be attached inside here. Okay, we're going to finger tighten this for now, but this is going to have to be torqued with a torque wrench to specs. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, we'll plug this airbag at the wrong angle here. Okay, now we can release this and let this retract. Okay, still going. Finally. There we are. An operational belt. Just snugging this one up good. Okay, we're done here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.